In this video, I'm going to show you my personal thought, opinion, and forecast on HLBZ for absolutely free. Nobody's doing this on YouTube. So let's get into it. So we're down around 3.62%. This is going to be a very brief video, okay? From Friday, 362. Overall, the performance and these figures do not lie. 95% down in the past year. 95 plus, it's 95.33 in the past year. 86.68 in the past 6 months. Mental stuff. Just mental stuff. As I said, a pretty big bearish trend on top of that. To be honest, like 100% with you and not waste your time. We're in a pretty big bearish trend. Therefore, my prediction looks something a little like this on the lower time frame. As I said, I'm going to be waiting and seeing how we're going to react in this area. Now, if we start to break, for example, 2 or more times to the upside, I might actually look for excuse to actually be bullish on this prediction. But right now, I'm definitely bearish. I'm looking for these lows to get cleared. So let me know your thoughts on it.